Tutumitha, welcome! Today I'm going to show you how to apply eyelashes. Too much drama, let's start. So first only I applied eyeliner because before applying eyelashes I prefer to apply eyeliner because it looks good and there will be no mistakes, like it won't look weird, okay? Tutumitha is going to use her favorite eyelashes. I freaking love this eyelashes so much. So this is the Rosea Pro eyelashes and these are amazing, Okay, I don't know if you know, but I know these are amazing. So first I'm taking the eyelashes with fingers only. See? And you will have eyelash holder. So-called influencers, so many influencers told that with eyelash holder you can apply it very easily. But I find with hand only, with fingers only, I can apply it easily. I find this useful when applying inner corners. So I'm taking with hand only. For trimming eyelashes, mostly trim in the outer edge. Don't trim in the inner edges because I also tried and I wasted so many eyelashes. So I'm taking this gum bottle, not a Fevicol or Fevikwik. Okay. Taking this eyelash glue and first shake, then twist open and then apply it on this eyelash band. So apply not very thick layer, not very thin layer. Apply it in medium range. So just apply in the outer and inner corners also. And then do Kapalabhati. And if I do like this, sometimes it fell down, so I'll do Kapalabhati only so many times. So until it dries down, you have to see the gum became tacky. You can see the difference, right? It became somewhat transparent and lightish blue color, whitish, lightish blue. So I'm applying now. See, apply near your natural eyelash line, Don't apply far away from home, far away from eyelash, your natural eyelashes. So adjust it. First in the middle you have to apply, then you have to adjust the outer and inner corners. Then press the natural lashes and artificial lashes with your fingers, or you can even use your eyelash holder. So many, including Tutumitha, will also have problem in the inner corners of eyes. So it is very difficult for that gum to stick na. But if the gum becomes tacky, it is very easy to apply that inner corner eyelash too. So see, everywhere that eyelash glue held my eyelashes to my skin, right? I need to apply to other eye too. I don't like to apply mascara after applying eyelashes. That is not Tutumitha's way, No.
Tutumitha, where are you, Tutumitha?
Mummy.
Oh, what are those on your eyes? You are looking like the
Doing video, Mummy?
Oh, video na? Your character is devil,
So actually my mom doesn't like these eyelashes only whenever I apply like this. Mummy, I'll do video na. You go, please. I'll come after video. Okay. Next, apply to that eyelash to next eye. I'll apply and I will come. So applied other eyelash too. Don't apply mascara after applying eyelashes because after applying eyelashes that mascara particles will be on that eyelash and you have to every time clean those eyelashes with micellar water. Before eyelashes only apply mascara, and after taking out eyelashes I just peel that gum from that eyelash wand. I don't clean eyelash with micellar water or soap, okay? And to maintain the physique of your eyelashes you need to again place that eyelashes in your eyelash holder. I mean whatever they give your box na, place in that only. I applied these eyelashes at least 35 to 40 times. Amma Devuda, I don't know how these are super lashes, I mean, this is my new pair, but old pair I used it 35 to 40 times. And I will mention product details below in the description. Oh, this is not YouTube. There will be an inverse arrow, so just click that and you will get all the details. So this is my first pair of eyelashes. This is a pack 63 eyelashes and this is used for natural and it gives you volume and length. I used this more than 20 times. And this lash pack M75 is used for bridal purpose and it's very voluminous and thick. And this lashes pack silk 100 lashes, it is lengthy but not voluminous and okay-ish. I don't super like, but okay like. And this lashes from Eyelashes. See, they gave a pack of 3 and also they gave a eyelash glue. What can you ask for? It gives a natural finish and amazing lashes. And next one is this Rosea Pro. Oh my god, this gives you very natural look and you don't even feel like you're applying some eyelashes, and it has a thick, I mean not thick, not thin, but I only used for 4 times because I didn't handle it carefully. So it damaged. So that's it for eyelashes and I think I helped you, na? Ma, how are my eyes looking?
Nice only.
Before, why you told like that? And this is how you apply eyelashes. I mean, Tutumitha applies like that, so I explained it to you in this way. And thanks all for watching. Bye bye.